Hello?
I'm the last caveman.
Nice to meet you. I think I've seen your YouTube channel.
Do you want a prosperous life?
I'd love that.
I have a task for you.
I'll do anything.
Only cook for mile 6, and your life will be fulfilled.
Aisle 6. I have to get to the store. Prosperous life, prosperous life, prosperous life. Aisle 6. Time to stock up. Well, I've got all my items here from aisle 6, and I'm going to use these items and only these items to make two things, something sweet and something savory. I'm going to start by making something sweet. I'm going to use these two items, Velveeta and Oreo cookies. I'm going to make some Velveeta fudge using these. I've made Velveeta fudge before and did a video on it, and it was shockingly great. Well, I'm going to see if I can kind of replicate it, but using only 2 ingredients. We'll see. I'm going to cut and cube about this much Velveeta. Actually, I'm using the generic kind because Velveeta is so expensive. So I'm just going to cut these 2 pieces. So to normally make Velveeta fudge, you melt the Velveeta and then you add things like butter, powdered sugar, vanilla, lots of powdered sugar. So basically, I don't have those things on aisle 6, but they do have Oreos, mega stuff. I'm gonna food process all these Oreos. Now I'm gonna microwave my cubes in 30-second intervals until it's nice and hot and liquidy. After about 1.5 minutes, it's quite oozy. So I'm gonna take that and dump all my Oreo crumbs in there, and I'm going to give it a good mix. I'm going to pour that into a foil-lined and prepared tray. I'm going to push it in, and then we're going to let this refrigerate and cool for about 3 hours. Now I'm going to take the rest of these ingredients and work on something savory. I'm going to make a cracker and chip lasagna, I think. In the past, I've made a Dorito lasagna, and that was really incredible. But a lasagna using only items from aisle 6? We'll see. Crushing some tortillas in the bottom of my prepared baking dish. Then I'll spread on some salsa. Next, I'm going to put on some Ritz crackers. I found these roasted vegetable kind. I've never had them before. Pour those on top. I'm going to take this summer sausage and I'm going to grind it up in the food processor for a little bit. Pour that on top. Then some queso. Wow. I have some Cool Ranch Doritos that I'm going to crush on top. And we'll finish with a little drizzled salsa on the top. And I'm going to cook it in an oven, 350 degrees, for about 20 minutes. This will be interesting. Well, it certainly didn't retain that lasagna shape on the plate. But I'm going in for a taste. Chip and cracker lasagna. It's pretty great. I like it. I think what makes it extra special is that ground sausage. It gives it a smoky taste. And it works. I made this from aisle 6. Now what about that fudge? Okay, it's been cooling in the refrigerator for a couple hours. I am ready to try this Velveeta fudge with Oreos in it. All right, let us give it a try. Velveeta fudge. Cut myself off a corner. Does it look like fudge? Let's find out. It is wonderful. There's nothing Velveeta about it. It's pure Oreo. Decadent Oreo. And I did all this using aisle 6. Can you believe that? I love a challenge. And you know what? You can make food using aisle 6 as well in your own grocery store. I challenge you, if you've made it this far in this video, go to your grocery store and check out aisle 6. And you can make something. And if you want to make a video, you can use hashtag aisle 6. Thank you so much for watching. And now you have to go check out my friend's channel, The Last Caveman, and see what he's up to. How do you describe a caveman's jokes? Pre-hysterical.